22 News reporter Nick Antonakis, who has a live look at the ways to prepare, what you can do. Nick, what you got?
Chris, like you were saying this whole time, we're in for a lot of snow this weekend, so it's important. Get yourself prepared before the flakes actually start falling on Sunday. There are a couple of things that you can do. First off, if we're getting over a foot of snow, like a lot of these reports are saying, you want to stock up on some extra food. Get your shovels out and put them by your door as well, as you may need it to dig out of the house. If you have a snowblower, start it this weekend and make sure that it's working before the snow starts falling. It's always good to have ice melt or rock salt to put down in your driveway or walkways to prevent any unwanted slips. Make sure you have chargers, snacks, and blankets, not only in your home, but also in your car. Speaking of your car, try to gas it up before the snow starts. With the wintry weather conditions that are in store this weekend, you never know if the road conditions will be worth driving in to get some gas. That being said, in an ideal world, you don't want to be on the road at all in bad weather. If you absolutely have to drive, make sure your car is ready for the snow with working wipers and properly inflated tires. Make sure you're driving extra slow and be cautious, and make sure to leave plenty of space between you and the car in front of you. Also have a brush and scraper handy to clear any snow or ice from your car before you actually start driving. Now, 22 News will be working for you all weekend throughout this storm with the latest on parking bans and school closures. Stay with us throughout all of this snow. Working for you live in Springfield, Nick Antonakis, 22 News.